Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope well. Now I can see that you are very, how you say, you feel extremely well. It's Monday, and now you really want to trade. You want to find something to trade, huh? Your fingers are itching. My God, I told you already. This month, December, it's for learning. Only if we see something really special, we're gonna give the signal. Before, I think 10 minutes ago, I received also a small analysis on USD CAD, and also I told you last week, I think it was Thursday, please try to learn how to send analysis, because like this you will learn and you will perform in Forex. So try to send them on the group chat, and like this will be easier for you to understand how the market and how the price is moving. And like this you can identify very quickly the supply and demand. That means resistance and support. So you can do this, it's very simple. And you can send it on the group chat, and we can discuss. Choose any pair you want, and I really want to see a very professional analysis. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I think 3 hours ago somebody said that GU it's for long. Remember that what I told you, if it's not going to break this area at 1.34500, then the price may reject, which it happened. And now we are waiting to see if the price is going to come down to retest this area, and then it's going to come back up again, or the price will continue falling to fill this gap. Usually gaps are filled all the time, and you have to learn how to do also this. Okay, so GU, let's see, GJ, they are all in the same situation. And if you look them on the MetaTrader, where you place your orders, there you will see the gaps. Here on TradingView you don't really see them. I am really surprised that I can see it. I can see this one on GU. Okay, so I really want to see some analysis, and believe me, this is gonna help you. I thought that Friday somebody it will send some analysis, but nobody did. And I hope that today you will start to do some exercises and to send some analysis. Okay, and I told you it's very simple. You put the support and resistance, which is very important to identify where you have the support and resistance. Then you can write here, and you have the text here. This if you are working on the trading view. If not, you can write it manually. So here you have the text, and you can describe what you see and what it may happen in I don't know, next hour, 4 hours, and so on. Depend on which chart you are doing the analysis. Okay, And after that you just press here the camera, you have here this little camera, you just go copy, and then you send it on the group. So it's very simple. For a moment, because we are here with the GU, we are waiting to see if the price will continue falling, because here we have a small resistance, or the price will try to create here a support and then to push up again. If we go on the calendar, today we have, I like to call it like clear sky, because nothing will happen. Tomorrow the same. It's gonna be a very easy day and the market will move very slow. Wednesday the things will start to move, especially with the euro and GBP, and then you will have the USD, and yeah, all day the euro group meetings and so on. So in about 2 days, also look, Friday we have the monetary policy statement for JPY, so also Friday will be interesting, but I think on Friday JPY will be strong. I don't know, I have this feeling. So today clear sky, tomorrow the same, and after tomorrow it's gonna start the party. In the same time, I would like you not to use more than 2% of your balance, because you never know how the market is moving. I cannot predict everything. I mean, I'm not God to know everything, but I prefer you to use a very small lot size, because you never know what may happen in the market, and I don't want you to lose money. And yes, thank you, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go to some other pairs. Here we have Euro JPY on the 1 hour, and let's put it on the 4 hour. For the 4 hour, we still have 42 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close. And again, if you remember Thursday, when I explained you that Euro JPY, it's still in a range zone, so there is nothing much to do with this pair. So for this one we have to wait. If it's going to break this area down, then we will have a beautiful drop. But because we have news, it is possible for the price to range another 2 days. That means today and tomorrow, and after tomorrow the price to shoot either up or down. Okay, so for this one, nothing, even if it's on the 4 hour. Okay, for Euro USD, this is on the 4 hour. Here we have the resistance. If the price will reject this area at 1.21710, then the price will come back down again. Okay, so you have to watch and see how the candles are closing. And yes, thank you again. Make sure you're notified, it's activated, in order to be notified when I am live. So like this, it's easier, because I don't have to send all the time the link here. Okay, so this is happening with Euro USD. is trying to go up. I really don't see something really special, and I want to say that I don't like when the candles are like this, very tight, very small. I like the candles, and I'm trying to catch candles like this ones, the big ones. Look at this one, look at this one, this one, this one. I don't really have what to do with this candle. Here you have, I don't know, 10 pips, 12 pips. I mean, it's nothing. I'm trying to catch big candles, okay? USD JPY. For USD JPY is trying to break down. Let me delete this one. Let's see if the price will reject again from this area. And if you look closer, here we have the support, okay? If the price will not break this area, then the price will reject, and maybe it's gonna come up to here to 850, make a retest and come back down again, or maybe it's gonna come up more, okay? So again, nothing special also with USD JPY. GJ also, again, it's lazy. So try to find candles like this one. Okay, you don't have them every day, and that means that you don't have to trade every day, but when you trade, you really do it good and you really make money, okay? Here there's nothing to do. Here, look at this. Even if the price is falling, I really don't like the candles, how they are looking. So try to find moves with big candles, okay? Look, these ones. If we go back, you have this one, and this is on the 30-minute. So you can catch moves, don't worry. I mean, I want to say that if you do, let's say 2 or 3 trades a day, it's perfect. If you catch 1 or 2 trades in the morning at the London session, it's perfect, and then with the New York session, 1 or 2 trades max, it's perfect. I mean, you don't have to stay all the time in front of the computer. For example, me, I stay all the time in front of the computer because I have to stay with you, I have to make some analysis, I have also some students that I teach them. I have to answer to your emails, to your questions, and so on. Okay, me, I have to stay, but I really don't want to stay more than 8 hours a day. But you, if you are not a full-time trader, you don't have to stay all day. Just come in the morning at the London Open and the New York session, and that's it. It's very simple. Like, how do you determine entry point? Well, it's simple. For example, here, if I was trading but I didn't trade, if I was trading GBP USD, and also I put it on the group chat, if I was here waiting for the price to see if it's gonna break and close above this area, then could be a buy for the next one at 1.34800. If not, I said that the price may reject from this area if it's not gonna close above it. So the price couldn't, and this could be a confirmation that I can have a sale. And this is the stop loss. This is like scalping, very, I will have the stop loss very small, and if I'll give you signals, I will put the stop loss even higher, okay? And then boom, sell, and that's it. It's very simple how you determine it. It's like you need confirmation. That's why I said try to send me analysis with any pairs that you like, and do analysis. I don't know, put a trend line if you know with a trend line, put the support and resistance. Let me see if you know where is on on the pairs, where is the support and resistance. For example, maybe you couldn't think that here maybe we have on the 30-minute a small support. Maybe the price is gonna come back down to here, retest this area, and then back up again, maybe to retest this area at 1.34800, and then maybe tomorrow the price is gonna come back down to fill the gap, okay? It's not necessary that the price it has to fill the gap today. It may be tomorrow, after tomorrow, maybe next week. You don't know where they want to put the price and then to sell it or to buy it. So coming back to the idea that you should send me analysis is because they will help you. And regarding your question, when I can determine my entry point, I told you it's very simple. If you find your resistance and support, then it's very simple where to place your order, where to have your stop loss, and where to have your take profit, okay? And another thing that I wanted to say is that oh my god, I have so many things in my head that I really forgot what I wanted to say. I will remember, don't worry. So yes, please with courage, please send me some analysis on the group chat or on the YouTube if you are watching YouTube. And like this, okay, this is my humble analysis, correct me if I'm wrong. This is this is more like a picture. Why you don't put the ascending wedge bearish pattern broke down, bullish from here to all the way to retest the market at 7850? I think this one it's more like a picture because I really don't see anything. Now I am on the group chat. Sorry, I was on my phone. And I will do it like this. First, why you put it on the weekly? You are trading long, or you are trading on the daily, you are trading 4 hour? How you want to trade first? If it's on the weekly, then also you have to put you have to see the candles, and please tell me where you have your support and the resistance, because if you have the support and resistance, Like this you can anticipate where the price will have the next stop. So here I can understand that the price, if it's not rejecting this area, because you have multiple weeks here and also this one, the price may try to come back up to 67550, where we have this week. You see, that's why it's very difficult for me to tell you, because I really don't have the chart in front of me and I don't really see the candles, and I have to identify the support and resistance. But in the same time, it's very good. I'm very happy that you did it, and you should send more. Believe me, it's gonna help you a lot sending me analysis. Okay, so try to send them, try to do it. You don't have to rush. I mean, like I don't know, GU, what do you think about GU? Try to find resistance and support, and don't go on the weekly. I mean, it's very difficult. We have to go on the small time frames, because small time frames, they move faster, and when they move faster like this, you will see that if you are right or not. And like this on the weekly, you have to wait 1 week to see if the price did what you said. Can you check USD JPY for me, please? I am in a sell. For USD JPY, I told you on the 1 hour, it's on area where you have a support. 1 second. And in the same time, there is the possibility that the price may reject from here. Why? So this is on the 1 hour, okay? On the 4 hour, if you look, first you have another 28 minutes, 27 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close. If this 4 hour candle to close, if it's not gonna close under this support, then the price, I don't think it's gonna come back down, and maybe it's gonna reject to retest this area at 103.825. If you really want to see, I'm gonna make here like a line, and this is the resistance, but in the same time you see rejection. Here the price created the support and rejected, and it went up. Here the same, and if I'm going back, here was in the range area and so on. So I think that if the price is not gonna break this zone, then it's gonna play here to retest again this area. And on the daily, looks a very strong support, and definitely the price, it may reject for sure. USD JPY, it's gonna come back up again. Okay, so I don't know exactly what to tell you, because we have to wait for the 4 hour candle to close, and I told you, if it's not going to close under this area, then the price will come back again to this zone at 103.823. I really want to ask you, where do you have your stop loss? This is very important for me to know if you are trading, even if you are trading alone without me, because I'm pretty sure that you do this. But I want you to know how you determine and how you put your stop loss. Can you please tell me, Mohammed, or how it's your name, Jamel, where do you have your stop loss for USD JPY, and what lot size did you use, if you don't mind? Maybe you can tell me. The thing is that USD JPY is on a downtrend. Definitely it's trying to go down, but for sure it's gonna react, and it's gonna reject this area and come back up. Maybe because we will have news Wednesday, I think, with the dollar. Maybe there is a possibility that the price may come back to make a spike, and then to come back up again, and then to retest this area. I told you the price is going in the areas where there is a strong support or resistance. All the time the price is gonna come to retest that area. Okay, so keep that in mind. Yes, the support zone is crucial, like you said. Thanks. Yes, but can you please tell me, where do you have your stop loss, or you don't have a stop loss? Because if you trade without any stop loss, then your accounts are dead. Believe me, I try to do the same thing. I wanted to be at the beginning, you know how I was. My god, now I start to laugh because it was very funny. I was like a ninja. No stop loss. I was like, no, the price is gonna come up from here to here, I'm gonna sell it. No stop loss, no doing, how you say, analysis, no trading plan. I was like, I told you, like a ninja. I was doing everything, you know, with the charts and with the pairs and everything. And then I realized, after I lost some money, but when I say money, that means money, I realized that I should stop, and I should start again, but different, and with the trading plan. And from that moment, I told you that I have changed everything, and it's like my life changed, because I realized some things, and I don't have stop loss. I close the trade now. When you started again, what did you do different? Well, I told you, first I had a trading plan. This is the most important thing, to have a trading plan. And every day you have to read that trading plan and to do what you wrote there. So this is one of the most important things. You have to, how you say, educate yourself. I mean, if you said that that at 8 o'clock in the morning I will wake up, that means that at 8 o'clock I have to wake up and start a new fresh day, make my coffee and go on the charts and so on. And plus are some more other things that this I tell them if you are my students. But this with the trading plan, I really want you to start to do it, because if you do this, you will see some things that you couldn't see them before, because there at the trading plan you have some questions, and like this you will identify if you are greedy or not. And if you are greedy, you have to not stop trading, stop being greedy, because you want more and more and more and more and more, and let's trade again and so on. If in your trading plan you say that I'm gonna trade only 3 pairs, or I'm gonna do 3 trades today, if I'm losing 1 or 2, then I will stop. So there are some important steps, in that trading plan. If you want, you can Google it, and I think you can have some examples there of the questions, and that will be easier for you. And believe me, you're gonna concentrate better, because you will have that piece of paper in front of you every day, and you cannot, how you say, you have to do exactly what you wrote on that piece of paper. Okay, so do you have any questions? Because I will want to disappear 2 minutes and to come back again. Okay, it's better to disappear now and to come back in 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. I was reading here that a beautiful heart said, do we wait for him or not? Anyone please tell me what did you said here? That if we trade to wait what? To place a trade or what? For a moment, I don't know if you are in our group or not, but I decided that this month, December, to be for learning, because there are a lot of people that they would love to learn, and also they made some beautiful pips with us. And don't, this I was explaining earlier, you don't have to be in a rush for a trade. You are losing the train or something. What's happening with you? You have so much money and you want to make now $500 million or what? I mean, don't be in a I mean, why you have this rush? I mean, my God. And me, for example, to give you some tips, because here, staying here for, I don't know, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours with you here, it's my time explaining you for free some little things. Like I'm trying here to help you identify where you can put your trade, your stop loss, your take profit, where you have your resistance or support, and so on. And please don't be in a rush to trade. I mean, I am not in a rush to trade. And I said, you don't have to trade every day. You don't go every day to the supermarket. I just give you an example. This is like a business. I mean, sometimes you act, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you just stay, make analysis, and think twice before doing something. I just said that I don't know. Okay, it's not that I ignore him, but even if it's not in our group or not, he has to understand that my God, I eat a candy, a mental candy. That you don't have to rush in trading, because like this you will lose money. And if you are here only for copying some things or copying signals, believe me that yes, I give signals and I give very good signals, and here I was very modest. But in the same time, I want to be different, and I want to teach to this group how to trade better, and how to make money, and how to be independent, and how to be able to pay their bills from this trade. If I'm gonna ask this beautiful heart how much money he made from these trades, I'm pretty sure that he lost a lot of money because he is in a rush. Can you explain this? USD CAD, if the price yes, depends on the Fed news. Let me go on, where is it? My God, I need glasses. USD CAD. So I said that if the price cross 1.28659, which is here, 659, okay, which is this strange area. And if it's gonna close above, it will go to 134. 134, this is 1 hour. Let's put it on the 4 hour. I don't know why do I have this. Remove, remove, remove. It's going to 134. I was talking here about long, okay? And let's take this one and do like this. And why I said this? Because first of all, maybe the price is gonna help, it will have a little help from the news, okay? And if it's gonna break this area, then the price will have a chance to come to this zone, and then to this zone at 131, and then to this zone at 131,900, and so on. I told you that the price, it's going back where you have a support or resistance with multiple touches, or where the price created a very strong area. I don't think so that the price will continue falling. It may stop somewhere here, even if it's in a downtrend. I said that if the price will close around this area, then the price will come back up again, and this is on the weekly for sure. So this, it may take several weeks. It's not today or tomorrow, okay? It's simple. You need confirmations for the price to give you the direction. And because here I'm on the weekly, and we can do like this, maybe for you it can be much more easier to understand why I said this, that if the price is gonna break and close above this area, then definitely the price will continue to go up. And also here we can do like this, and it will be very easy to understand it. Now you understand why? Here at the support that became resistance because the price went down, you have multiple touches. And when you have multiple touches, I said and I repeat that that zone became, and it's becoming very strong. And definitely 80% of the time the price will come back to retest again that area. So I think that the price will reject this area, and then to see if it's gonna close above. And if it's gonna close above, then definitely it's gonna come to retest again this area where you can see you have multiple touches. And if you look at much more closer, also on the weekly, you will see that this price USD CAD was in a range for a long time, and here created like a fake out, and then it came back down. Okay, it's very difficult because this is on the weekly, but if you could anticipate this from the beginning, you could make a lot of money here. Okay, did you do some analysis? I really want to see something. My God, you are so funny, because all the time when I'm trying to go to sleep, because sometimes I'm going to sleep earlier, and when I'm in the bed, boom, my phone it's ringing, and you all the time they're active here when I'm live, and when I'm asking you something, are you sleeping now, or what are you doing? It's simple, do something. Okay, if you don't want it now live, you can do it later on, and you can send it on the group. Okay, but you have to do it because I told you it's gonna help you. It's gonna help you a lot, and believe me, it helped me a lot also in this business. No, any questions? Nothing? Now we can see in the 1 hour. We still have 4 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. That's why the price is moving faster at GJ. And maybe the price now it's gonna go to retest that area where it was the gap. Let's see, DJ. On the 4 hour it's going down, but let's see how the price will close, and how it's gonna react around this area. So yeah, it's possible that the price may shoot down, and depends a lot where the price will close. Yep. I will not stay too much. I want to see now here we still have 1 minute for this 4-hour candle to close, and I want to see how it's gonna close. If it's gonna close under this support, then the price may continue to go down, and maybe it's gonna retest maybe it's gonna fill the gap. And also I am looking here at the price. You see, the price may come to this area, we don't know. We have to see where the price will close. So you don't have no more question. It's okay, later on my phone will ring like crazy. All the people from the group, they will wake up and start to chat and asking about this and about that. Let's see where this candle wants to go. For example, here because it rejected this resistance here, and because it closed under this support, the price, it has the possibility to come back down again, but in the same time it could go up, create a spike, and then to continue falling. Very funny. So yes, the price may continue to go down. On the 15-minute, I'm looking when I'm scalping, and the 15-minute gives you a very small, not small, how you say, yeah, small confirmation. It's like it's giving you a minor support or a minor resistance, but it can guide you a little bit depending in which what time frame are you trading. But it's very difficult to scalp because you have to do it in the same time with me, and also with the internet. If you watch me on the YouTube, you have a delay of maybe of 1 minute, and this is quite crazy. So I think it's a little bit impossible to trade, but maybe you can anticipate what I will do. I'm not trading right now, I'm just looking, and I said that we have the possibility that the price, it may make here like the price to fall, even if it's closed above this support. Now it became resistance, to come down, make a wick, come back up again. Maybe it wants to retest again some areas from here, and then to come back down again. Okay. Although I really don't like how GJ is looking. Let's see GU, and definitely all the pairs are doing like this. Yeah, GU, it's playing here. Let me see the 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle just rejected, but it's a, how you say, it's a small rejection, and maybe the price is gonna come back again, retest this area, and come back down again. We don't know. And then probably tomorrow or after tomorrow, or maybe tonight in the Asia session, it's gonna fill this gap here. But I'm pretty sure that the price will reject from here, and it's gonna come back down again. GJ seems making lower high from the 4-hour time frame. Yes, but let's see, maybe the price is gonna, you see, that's why you have to try to find the way, the best opportunity when to come into a trade, because yes, maybe I'm right, I put my support and resistance, the candle closed above this zone, but I'm pretty sure that GJ in this moment, it's not going to fall, it's going to come back up maybe around this area, maybe to retest this week, and now maybe the price it's trying to create here the wick of the candle to come back up. There is this possibility, you never know, but I don't think that the price will fall like crazy now. And yes, you're right, and you can find also this with a lower high and higher low on the Google. I told you you can go on the baby pips, and there you can study if you want. It's a very nice platform where you can learn some things. So definitely GJ is rejecting that area, but I want to see it on the 30-minute and the 15-minute how this candle will close, if it's gonna go straight down or maybe it's gonna come back up, retest this area and then back down. The problem with for example with GJ is that he doesn't do too many retests. Okay, so when GJ is going up or GJ is falling, he's just doing like crazy. I mean, he really doesn't do any retests. I don't know if this candle will be very big, but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna retrace a little bit and then come back down with the red candle. So guys, please send on the group chat, because most probably all the guys from here from the chat on YouTube, they are from my group. Please send how you say, analysis, and believe me that they will help you, and I will help you identify them, and they will help you grow in this business. Okay, I really want to see how this 15-minute candle close on GJ, and I am really expecting that this candle will retrace, maybe can do something similar like it did here. I'm not chasing this, but it may do something similar. I don't think that GJ will fall like crazy, because it doesn't have any news, it doesn't have anything, you know, for falling like this. For me, GJ it's a very special pair. I love it because it's moving very fast, and you can make great pips. And if you are looking on the chart, you can see that here you have huge candles. This one is a big candle, this one is a big candle, this in this area, this one, this one, this one too from here, and this I'm chasing, not the small ones, because the small ones you cannot do too much with them, and also you have the probability, because they are creating a lot of wicks, to spike up or down and hit your stop loss. So I really don't like this little candles. And how do I anticipate these big candles? Is by the how you say, the accumulation. When you have this kind of accumulation from here, you see, or from here, at some, from time to time, the price after it's accumulating, and the best moves are the one that your price was in a range zone, like it happened, for example, here. For a moment, boom, it went down, and if you measured almost, put it 100 pips, which is amazing, it's wow, no? To make in 45 minutes, because you have here 45 minutes, or maybe you have here 1 hour of trading. So the market is making accumulation, like it happened here, for example, and then boom, the price went down. So this you have to look for. Okay, so please don't forget that you can send me analysis, and I really want you to do this. And I am waiting you on the group chat, because I can see that there you are more alive. Maybe now you are sleeping, you like my voice and you are sleeping now. It's like I'm telling some stories and you are like babies sleeping. So I am waiting you on the group chat, and there you can send me some little analysis. What do you see? What do you think? Where you have the support and resistance? And I really insist with that, because you will see later on that you will improve yourself, and you will say thank you for doing this. And me, I will say thank you for watching. And I hope that tomorrow you will be more alive, and I will put you to work more than me, and maybe tomorrow I will be quiet, and I will just answer to your questions. I am waiting for a lot of questions, because that's why I'm here and I'm doing these live sessions, because I am waiting for you to come and ask me some things that you are interested, because I'm pretty sure that you don't know everything. Believe me, I don't know everything. I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of things that I have to learn, and also you the same. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and so on. And also the Instagram page, BloomFX Signal, and also my private page, Madi BloomFX. And see you on the group chat, and waiting for you there to be alive. Okay.